Hey guys, Caleb's Catches here. Out here on this windy night, seeing if we can get some crappie. I've got my slip bobber rig with a minnow, and we're just gonna see what happens. Oh, that felt weird. Don't matter if it's been an hour, 10 minutes since you got a bite. The fish can bite at any moment. There we go. That's right. Oh, what we got? Oh, what we got? Seriously. He's fighting pretty good, whatever he is. Crappie! We found the crappie! Yes! Woo! Oh my gosh! We got out here in the 20-mile-an-hour wind and caught a crappie. He's not a keeper, but by golly, I am happy to have found the fish. 9.5 inches. Let's get back to it. Yes, I found you. Oh, thank you, buddy. All right. I am not sticking my hand in that water. And there he goes. Well guys, got out here even in these windy, cold conditions, still ended up finding a fish. Got that 9.5 inch crappie. Hey, nothing too big, but it was nice to catch a fish in this weather. Well guys, I thank y'all so much for watching. If that subscribe button's red, make sure it's gray so you let me see the upcoming content. There's some awesome things in store for this upcoming year. I've got some new fishing gear I'm going to reveal soon, and I can't thank y'all enough. Well, this is Caleb's Catchers reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.